So, dear students, welcome to all of you, and I am going to start next chapter, that's electrochemistry. Very interesting unit and very complicated as well, but I will try to ease it out. तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में अगर हम देखेंगे, we discuss two phenomena. In electrochemistry, we discuss two phenomena. One, if I will consider a chemical reaction, one of the phenomena is that a chemical reaction is carried that results in the creation of electrical energy. Creates electrical energy. तो यहाँ पे पहला जो फिनोमेना हम डिस्कस करते हैं, we discuss it under two phenomena. One phenomena is that कि एक केमिकल रिएक्शन को स्टडी करते हैं हम, that chemical reaction creates electric energy. If we will see this thermodynamically, this reaction, if the thermodynamics of this reaction is considered, this reaction is spontaneous in nature. This reaction is spontaneous in nature. Spontaneous in nature का मतलब हो गया, once it is initiated, it takes place on its own. So I can write free energy change. Free energy change, that is delta G. For this type of reaction, it is negative. So first phenomena to be discussed in electrochemistry is that a chemical reaction is studied that leads to creation of electrical energy, and that chemical reaction which is under consideration is spontaneous in nature, that is it has free energy change negative value. Then if we see second phenomena, again we consider a chemical reaction. We consider a chemical reaction. That chemical reaction is driven by using energy. Energy is consumed. Energy is consumed to drive that chemical reaction. That chemical reaction. So, अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे its thermodynamics, this type of reaction is non-spontaneous in nature. Thermodynamically, this type of reaction is non-spontaneous in nature. Non-spontaneous in nature का मतलब हो गया कि इसमें जो फ्री एनर्जी चेंज है डेल्टा जी, it is positive. So we mainly discuss these two types of phenomena in electrochemistry. One, first we study a chemical reaction that creates electrical energy, and that type of chemical reaction which creates electrical energy, that is spontaneous in nature. For that, this free energy change delta G, it has negative value, and if a chemical reaction is driven by using energy, that is non-spontaneous in nature, and for that delta G is positive. तो यहाँ पे हम ये दो फिनोमिना है, and these two phenomena in electrochemistry are discussed under two main headings. Are discussed under two main headings. Electrochemistry as a whole, हम यहाँ पे ये दो फिनोमेना डिस्कस करते हैं, लेकिन इसको डिस्कस करने के लिए हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री के 2 पार्ट्स है. One is called as ionics. One is called as ionics, and second is called as electrodics. दूसरे का नाम है electrodics. तो यहां पे ionics और electrodics हम डिस्कस करते हैं. तो these two phenomena are discussed under 2 main headings. One is called as ionics and the second one is called as electrodics. यहां पे अगर हम देखेंगे ionics में हम क्या डिस्कस करते हैं. ionics में डिस्कस करते हैं it involves discussion about ionic conductors. It involves discussion about ionic conductors. So ionics में यूजुअली हम डिस्कस करते हैं ionic conductors को. और अगर हम यहां पे देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रोडिक्स में it involves discussion about electrode reactions. Electrode, or I can say redox reactions. तो यहां पे इलेक्ट्रोडिक्स में हम डिस्कस करते हैं रिडॉक्स रिएक्शंस और आयनिक्स में हम डिस्कस करते हैं आयनिक कंडक्टर्स. सबसे पहले अगर हम देखेंगे कंडक्टर क्या होता है. एज यू नो इन फिजिक्स you mainly dealt with these. You have read in physics what are conductors. Conductors are materials. अगर हम बैंड गैप देखेंगे, बैंड गैप के हिसाब से इनका वैलेंस बैंड एंड कंडक्शन बैंड. Valence band and conduction band, they usually overlap. या हम ऐसे कहेंगे which conduct current, which allow passage of electric current, which allow passage of charge. They are called as passage of charge. They are called as conductors. So conductors are defined as materials whose valence and conduction band overlap. या हम ऐसे कहेंगे which conduct current या which allow the passage of charge. Broadly speaking, these conductors, they are of 2 types. If we see these conductors are of 2 types. These conductors are of 2 types. One is called as metallic conductor. These metallic conductors you deal in current electricity. So I will simply define these metallic conductors. यहां पे मैं इससे पहले आगे जाने से पहले I will mention one thing, that when we discuss these headings, 2 main headings, ionics and electrodics, it is better to deal with ionics first then with electrodics. So मैंने यहां पे ionics को स्टार्ट किया है बिकॉज मैंने यहां पे लिखा कि we here discuss conductors and which types of conductors. We discuss ionic conductors in ionics. That's why I started with the term conductor. Then this conductor can be of mainly 2 types. One is called as metallic conductor. तो यहां पे अगर हम मेटेलिक कंडक्टर को देखेंगे चार्ज कैरियर, charge carriers, or which is called as current carriers. Current carriers in metallic conductors, they are free electrons. They are free electrons. तो मेटालिक कंडक्टर्स में इतना याद रखेंगे कि ये वो कंडक्टर्स है जहां पे चार्ज कैरियर्स जो होते हैं या करंट जो कैरी करते हैं, दे आर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. दे आर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड देयर कंडक्शन it is called as electronic conduction. इनके कंडक्शन को हम नाम देते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्शन या नाम देते हैं मेटालिक कंडक्शन. तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्टर्स जो होते हैं या मेटालिक कंडक्टर्स जो होते हैं, दे आर यूजुअली मेटल्स. They are usually metals, and these metals include like silver, copper, gold, platinum, aluminum, etc. All the metals which are good conductors are involved in the category of metallic conductors. तो यहाँ हम इतना याद रखेंगे कि metallic conductors में करंट जो कैरी करते हैं, जो चार्ज कैरियर होते हैं, इनमें वो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं और उनके कंडक्शन को हम एक स्पेशल टर्म देते असाइन करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्शन. इन दिस कैटेगरी वी डिस्कस यूजुअली मेटल्स. तो अगर हम दूसरे टाइप का कंडक्टर देखेंगे, विच आई मेंशन्ड इज आयोनिक कंडक्टर. which I mentioned is ionic conductor. तो आयोनिक कंडक्टर एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स, जो यहां पे करंट कैरी करेंगे, जो यहां पे करंट कैरियर्स होंगे या जो यहां पे चार्ज कैरियर्स होंगे या करंट कैरियर्स होंगे, जो यहां पे कैरी करेंगे करंट को या जो यहां पे